Really need to do something about that shrub. I know. I'm just heading out the comments before they show up. Well guys, welcome to another installment of the Bermuda grass comparison. So this is where I'm comparing Tifway 419 to Arden 15 and showing you guys how they do as far as going dormant. Normally when I've shot these videos, it's been in the morning, but I wanted to shoot one in the afternoon to give you guys a chance to see the lawn a slightly different color. When you look at the front lawn, overall, it still looks, again, the color looks pretty good. Again, we've been still getting heat in like the low 70s, which has been good for keeping that color. I mean, we're in the end of October, like Halloween's this weekend, and the lawn is still looking, you know, in my opinion, pretty good given the time of year. I've got one little spot there, like where there's a slight texture difference. I'll have to point out to you guys. What I'll do is I'll take a picture of it and post it as like a YouTube story or something like that. So you get a small section where there's a slight texture difference in the grass, but it's kind of hard to show on video. But anyway, so let me show you guys now the Vanity Strip. That's looking, again, like as usual. I'm starting to see a little bit more yellowing here. If you look in the section right here between, like the middle area is still fairly green, but on towards the right and left side, there's a little bit more yellowing. But overall, can't complain too much. Alex's lawn looking really good. Alex's lawn, actually, if you guys look, take a look here, guys. Take a look at this. Like my swale area heading up to the back is actually a little like lighter than Alex's lawn. You know, I think he's a little bit taller than me, so he's cheating, but still, you gotta respect it, right? Green is green, even if the mowing height's slightly taller. All right, on to the back lawn. So back is looking pretty good too, guys. Overall, color still really even. I'm gonna take you guys out to the tree. The last episode, I didn't do that because I wanted to see if anyone would really point it out. A couple of you guys have been watching the series for a long time, know where that tree used to be. But now, for you, those of you that are maybe joining the series now, let me show you what I'm always referring to. So right in here, like in this section right there, you see that circle that I'm zoomed in on right now? There used to be a tree there, and the reason why I ever got into overseeding is because of this tree spot. Really, because I didn't really know any better, I figured that the stuff they put in was supposed to be Tifway 419, but it never really matched the rest of the lawn. So instead of plugging the lawn, which is what most of you guys probably told me I should have done, I decided to overseed, and that's what kind of started this whole process of doing the entire lawn because of the unevenness in color that I was seeing in that one spot. And it still stands out a little bit, but it's gotten a lot better over the years. Let me show you guys the rest of the lawn. I mowed, let me see, when was the last time I mowed? 2 days ago. And you guys, as you can tell, man, it's still looking pretty good. Again, the sun's not in the best part right now of the sky for showing off the stripe action, but overall, the lawn is looking pretty solid in my opinion. I'll give you guys a shot, like the sun's right here, so I'll show you guys another angle so you can see what I'm looking at. Guys, the big thing, man, is I'm gonna chalk this up to the carbon because I'm trying to think really of everything that I've changed between last year and this year. And the big thing has been the addition of all the carbon soil amendments. I mean, I haven't really fertilized this year any more than I have in previous seasons. Haven't watered anymore. The big thing is just I've been adding regular carbon to the lawn. I'm due to do probably a Carbon Pro L here maybe this weekend. I'll see if I can get around to doing it. But if you guys have been following the YouTube stories, you guys also know that around this time last week, I put down 4 bags of Carbon Pro G, and I had 1 bag of the Miramichi Green Carbonized PN that I also applied to the lawn. And you know, and that's been like the recipe pretty much every season. The carbonized PN, not so much. I just had that because I wanted to show it in the comparison video. But every month the lawn's been getting Carbon Pro G, and it's still maintaining its color. Actually, I'm going to show you guys a quick comparison here, so you guys can see that. You guys see the color of my lawn, right? You can still see the greenness. That's still relatively good given that we're into late October. And if you see the color between my lawn, so this is it here, and then the other lawns in the neighborhood, you can see. Again, looking good, but still not quite the same level of green. And I'll also put up for you guys a video somewhere around here where I can find an open spot on the screen showing you the comparison between last week and this week, because I want to make it easy for you guys. If you want to go back and watch the videos, I really would appreciate it. But just to save you time, if you just want to see like from week to week, you just want to watch the latest video and see how the lawn is changing from week to week, you can see the video that I will post, and we'll show you guys how that works. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, every week, this is going to be the cycle every week until probably have 4 more of these till the end of November, until the lawn really starts to turn yellow and begins to go to sleep. It doesn't have obviously the same pop that it did during the summer months, but that's not bad. I mean, that's not bad. This looks like almost like early to mid-spring type green, which is not bad in late, October. Well, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Truly do appreciate it. If you have not yet, consider subscribing. You get to watch the rest of the series. You get notified whenever I post new videos. And if you're also looking for interesting content on Bermuda grass lawns, if you guys haven't checked out BYD's content, definitely do so, man. He puts out a lot of really good stuff. I'm not sure if he actually works in the lawn care field or not, but he puts out a lot of really good, kind of like what I do, advice on products that the typical homeowner can put down to really improve their lawn. Again, his channel is Bermuda Grass Central, so if you're looking for someone else to watch, you get tired of me. I mean, hopefully not getting too tired, but if you want to go over and visit, it's more than a good idea. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. I'll see you guys next week. Have an amazing day.